In a sunlit living room, a curious corgi spots a fluttering feather and bursts into a squeaky windmill of zoomies. A tuxedo cat freezes mid-nap when a bubble wand pops, eyes wide, whiskers quivering like antennae meeting giggles. A goofy hound discovers a surprise treat dispenser and performs a dramatic dance of joy that could win an entire parade. Two kittens chase a dancing laser dot through a sea of pillows, tumbling into soft chaos that somehow stays utterly wholesome. Join the Wholesome community for more epic surprises and adorable chaos by subscribing right now and sharing the smiles.